Hello friends, my name is Anurag and today I'm going to share
Great business opportunity.
with you. In brief, see, whatever we do in life, the central idea is making money. Why money? Because money is the most important part of our life. We can't purchase any facility without money. Now, size of money defines what kind of lifestyle we are going to live. If we make more money, we will have better lifestyle, and if we have less money, definitely we will have a weaker lifestyle. This is a straight principle. Now, the dream and the need circle of life is very large. We have lot many needs and lot many dreams to be fulfilled in life. But the fact is, in comparison to our needs and dream circle, our income circle is very small. So the question is how to increase our income circle to match the needs and dream circle. Now, how to make more money? What are the options available? Well, there could be many options. One of the best proven idea around the world is Amway business, and today I am going to share a bit about it. Now, why Amway? Why only Amway? There are many questions. Well, there could be many reasons. Number one reason, what I like about it is the combination of money, time, and security. This business allows us to enjoy the combination of money, time, and security. Whereas in life, what we see, if we have money, we might not have time to enjoy it and might not have security. While in this business, we can enjoy a lot of money, a lot of time to enjoy that money, a lot of security to enjoy money and time, both. Number two, this business is our own business. Nobody can snatch this business, nobody can overtake this business, and this is outstanding. Number third, I can build this business on part-time or full-time basis, which is very unique. It means I need not to disturb what I am doing while I can try my future or fortune based on my part-time. Number fourth, market is all India. I mean, market is huge, unlimited, and one of the largest market of the world, and that's all India. This license gives you power to enjoy this business in all India basis. Number five, most important is mentorship program. In this business, we find successful coaches who program our business and help us on day-to-day basis to build this business successfully. And this list goes on and on. Well, now the next bigger question is how Amway business works. Amway business concept is based on today's distribution technology. We see today the whole distribution channels are changing. In traditional business channel, what we see the game of manufacturer and consumer. Consumer buy anything through shop where shopkeeper goes and buy the same stuff through some wholesaler. Wholesaler buys through some distributor. Distributor goes to CNF and so on. Here, manufacturer keeps 30 to 40% of the whole transaction, while the 60 to 70% goes to the mediators, while the consumer pays 100%. So if we check carefully, this 60 to 70% distribution money is a big ocean. Now, as the time change, we see a difference in this technology or the upgradation in this technology. We saw some 8 to 10 years back the factory outlets, which replaced this whole mediator section with this just one outlet and enjoyed entire 60 to 70% profit. The next step of it was the era of big bazaar, easy day kind of businesses, where the big leaders of our country, like Reliance, Dhirubhai Ambani's, Tata's, Birla's, and everybody else jumped into this game, applied the Walmart theory in India. These players replaced the whole distribution channel with Kishore Binyani's Big Bazaar or Easy Day. They bought products in bulk and prepared a network of customers and enjoyed 60 to 70% of profit. They all became the Walmarts of India and changed the whole distribution technology. Now, the new era started where our young startups learned through Amazon, and they started in the name of Snapdeal, Big Basket. Flipkarts, etc. These are our country's most famous online business portals who prepared a network of sellers on the back part, and in front they prepared a huge network of customers and became the central marketplace, enjoying the same 60 to 70% profit. And now the time is for the most famous and our favorite, Facebook. Two questions always comes in our mind. What is Facebook and how Facebook makes money? Well, here is the answer. Suppose me, Anurag, joins Facebook as a member. Now, what is the first thing I do? I invite more friends and connect more friends. Now, let's take an example. I have 100 friends in my Facebook list. Now, the first name comes in my mind, for example, is Manas. Now, Manas is my friend out of some hundreds of friends. Now, Manas goes ahead and he does the same thing and he enrolls 200 friends of his in his network, and suppose one of them is Deepak. And so on, Deepak does the same thing. Now, in that case, what happens with Manas and Deepak, Anurag has got hundreds of friends list or the network here with the Facebook, and this network goes on and on and on, never stops. Now, Anurag may have 100 friends, Manas may have 200 friends, Deepak might have 150 friends, but this list as a whole could go up to 10,000 to 50,000 to 1 lakh. So, for example, Anurag as a whole has got 1 lakh friends. Now, Anurag might be putting 5 minutes every day in Facebook, Manas might be putting 1 hour, and Deepak might be putting 1.5 hours. And it differs with every member. Now, Facebook does not charge anything, whatever activity we do on Facebook, but it still makes billions of billions out of it. How come? That's a bigger question. Actually, Facebook sells everything left and right in this network. It could be advert, movie ticket, any idea, app, cookie, or even real estate, and makes money left and right. And if we study it as a case history, it's a beautiful case of online sales business. In the same example, now out of 1 lakh network of Anurag, if the entire sale is 1 crore, who makes profit? Of course, Facebook. Now think for a second. What if out of every 10 lakh rupees sales, the profit of Anurag is approximately 1.5 lakh rupees? Wow! Is it possible? No, I can't believe it. Well, friends, the good news is it is possible. I don't know about Facebook, they can do it or not, but yes, if we do the same, the process is same. If we do that with Amway, with same network, Amway shares approximately 1.5 lakh rupees out of every 10 lakh rupees sales with the present sales and marketing plan. Well, this is just an introduction of the whole business plan. Now you need to be in touch with the person who sent you this video. All the best. Have a nice day.